In this video, we are going to briefly discuss what are collections on a Shopify store and how to set a collection up. Now, of course, you need to be signed in on your Shopify account. And once you are in your dashboard, this is your admin dashboard, look towards your left-hand side. And here, I want you to look and click on products, right? Now, before we click on products, and as you can see, we have several sample products here, I'm going to tell you what a collection is. So collections are a way to group your products into categories to make it easier for your customers to find them and easier for you to just sell them or present them. So you can organize products by type, like lamps, cushions, rugs, shirts, etc. By audience, like menswear, women's wear, kids wear, purpose, like items on sale, attributes like size, color, or quantity, or season like holiday cards and decorations, and Christmas or holiday other products of the sort, right? So, and as you can see here, under products, by default, you're going to see the products list. And the first option here is going to be collections. So click on collections. Now, when you first set up your shop, the only collection you have is going to be the home page, which is pretty much going to show all the products. So it's not really bundled, but if you want to add a collection, all you need to do is look towards your upper right corner of the screen and click on add collection. There you go. And just it's pretty much the same thing as setting up any other option. So title, let's say like first collection. There you go. And then just add the copy, right? Insert descriptive copy here. And then you can either choose collection type, which is manual, which is you pretty much add it by yourself one by one, or smart collection, where there is an existing and future products that match the conditions of the collection, but we're just going to go manual one by one, right? And then click on save. There you go. Now you have your collection set. There you go. So that's how you actually choose your collection. Now, if you go back to collections and choose first collection again, here you'll be able to add products by browsing, right? So here we have several products here. If you want to add everything, or if you want to add specific products, like for example clothing, so we have a few clothing here. So we have plaid shirt, sweatshirt green, and wife beater shirts. So these are all clothing for people. Click add. There you go. It is now available under the first collection, collection. And then of course you need to actually save the whole thing, and after that you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.